Welcome, my style innovators. Today we are gonna talk about denim. And jeans is one of my favorite wardrobe pieces because they have no rules. So today I wanna share with you my most popular strategies to find the right pair of jeans. So the first thing that you need to consider is the race. We have been hitting for a long time, high race, low race. The higher the race, the best is gonna help camouflage those love hands or a big tummy. Look at this picture. Look at how her waist looks a little bit more defined. So you want this because you want to avoid having a muffin top. The second thing that you have to consider is the back pockets. The back pockets, when they are too low, look how he's dragging everything down. You want something that is a little bit higher and give you this special lift to your body. The third thing that you need to consider is the length of the zipper. When the zipper is too short, look at what happened. Your hip looks wider and shorter. When the zipper is long, it elongates and camouflage and your hips look slimmer. If you have big hips, high-rise jeans do wonders for your shape and it will show off your hourglass. So what are the best jeans for big hip? Bootcut jeans or flare styles, they are the best. Something that is too skinny, is taper, is the worst. If you have no waist, avoid low rise because you're gonna get the muffin top, or very high rise because it's gonna squeeze it. So what you want is a pair of jeans that sit on your hips. For someone that is a plus size, straighter cut trousers or flare styles are more slimming. If you are petite, it's better to have a slim fitting cut. If you are buttless, so a perfect pair with curve hugging, stretch, and higher place detailed pockets. That will create the illusion for a bigger back. As you can see, it's not difficult to find the right pair of jeans. You just have to stick with these strategies. Also, if you find a pair of jeans that you love, buy two. Think about all of the pants that you have. Can you think about one that you can style in 5 minutes? I don't think so. So every other pants, you need to have a top that really matches with the pants. Jeans, you don't have to do that. Jeans can go with everything. So it's important that you have one pair that you really love. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next week.